Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what we want to do is we want to adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So let's unlock our phone real quick. And now we need to go over to settings. And let me leave this setting right here. We will have the sound and vibration right here. And now here we have the volume, so we can change the media volume and the call volume right here. You guys can set it all up to yourself. I mean, if there's a problem with the low volume, I would recommend you guys putting it either at my setting or just max it all out. So after that, what you guys want to do is disable do not disturb mode if you have it enabled. It's also right here, it's right up top. As you guys can see, my DND is disabled, so I do not have to worry about it. But it can also cause the low volume problems, so I would recommend disabling it for the time of testing the problem. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker or the headphone port. If there's dust or debris in any of them, it can also cause the low volume problem. So as you guys can see, let's just grab the phone. Here we have the headphone port. Here we also have the speaker grill. And if you have a soft brush, then that'll work perfectly fine. If you have a soft cloth just like me, you guys can try and clean it, but it might be hard. So I would recommend using the soft brush. And after you try and clean it, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any audio glitches. So yes, it might be the software issue, and you guys can fix it by going into the software update section. So it's right almost at the bottom. Here we have the system updates, and here we can check for updates just by clicking on it. As you guys can see, my software is up to date. I'm using the latest version. If you do too, then that's great, and if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of issues, including the problem with the low volume. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.